I'm just down here at Bremer Bay. I've got the coffee machine on the back of the car, having my coffee, watching this. Doesn't get better than this, does it? Look at that. Beautiful colour of the water. There's like different shades of blue in this water here. Crystal white sand. And look at that sunrise. I mean, look at it coming through those clouds. I didn't think I was going to get one this morning. It's just coming through across those. Oh, I tell you what, definitely worth getting up this morning. I'm about to cook up some bacon as well on the back of the car while I sit here and just enjoy what nature has.